from the city is still. I'm from the city is still.
Hey guys, welcome to Picksburgh. This is Anthony. Today we're going to two different LCSs. The first one is First and Goal Collectibles. This is out in the South Hills Village Mall. Tons of memorabilia, tons of pops, tons of toys. But yes, they got some sports cards. And that's really what I'm all about today, guys. Is checking out these sweet, luscious sports cards. See what we can find in here, guys. Bound to be some good stuff.
I love that upper deck Griffey.
Yeah, dude. Classic.
Yep. We had like 1 million of those when we were kids.
Yes, we did.
Are there any iconic cards you had when you were a kid, or that every one of your friends were after when you were a kid? Put them down in the chat or the comment section. I'd really be curious to know what they are.
Look at a Negan card. That's awesome.
Nice.
We have a James Wiseman auto.
Nice.
And a Mitchell auto too. It's a Spectra rookie auto. Sick. They have LaMelo Ball.
This shop always has really great singles, and if you ask the owner, he will entertain trades with you. So that's something to think about. If there's ever a big card here that you can't quite afford, you can always offer to trade. So I've tried working out a trade in the past. There's another Griffey right there, graded this time. Tons of nice stuff. Got some Pittsburgh Steelers down below there. Ooh, look at that Giannis. That thing is slick looking. I'm always hunting for some more vintage Steelers stuff just to add to the PC, because there's certain players I really like to collect, and I'm really trying to narrow things down from just like every single junk waxy type player to the players that I like genuinely really enjoy collecting. But this place is always loaded with good Pittsburgh stuff, that's for sure. Great cards here. I remember having pretty much all of those right there when I was a kid, chasing after them. Oh my god, those Barry Sanderses were so amazing. Like every single one of my friends wanted those. If you grew up in the 80s and 90s, you know what I mean. Barry Sanders was just a different animal. That guy retired way too soon. And man, these 89 cards are just so nostalgic to me because they were so popular. Look at this Jim Brown autograph. That was a reprint card, but it's an authentic autograph, I believe. Just had some nice stuff in here. Some great vintage. There's a Clemente down there on the second shelf. Got some wrestling, some UFC. Definitely got some nice stuff here. Got some vintage down below. Got some Slavages back there. Typically, a lot of the more rare stuff is always found in this last case. There was some really nice LeBron James rookie cards in here that I had my eye on for a while that I'm guessing must have sold by now because they're no longer in the case. A lot of great autograph stuff that's been authenticated. They even have some Topps packs there from LeBron's rookie year.
Oh dang. Rookie auto of Mahomes. Sick.
What's that?
Jerry Rice.
Nice.
Oh, nice. Finding some brownies.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna need your eyes, just so you know. Right.
Cool.
Optic 2020. The one with the Herbert one. Baker. I see something green at least. Juju, Fonte, AJ Brown, Keenan Allen. Jalen Hurts, though, that's pretty sick.
Nice. And it's team color.
Yeah, that's actually really sick.
That's a great pull.
Ashton Davis, Kirk Cousins, Khalil Mack, Crowder, Stafford, Cooper Kupp. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Plus.
Are you guys still open? 15 minutes? Well, I just want to grab a couple packs anyway to work out.
Oh, they got Marvel Universe. $300.
I think they got some collections.
Aren't those cards like crazy though? Oh wow, yeah, they do got some collections. Oh yeah, that is nasty. I think 35. But mine was a, oh, that one has like sparkles on it. Mine didn't have sparkles, I don't think. Mine was a refractor though. Yeah, I think I got 35, but it was only like an 8 or an 8.5, something like that. Did you know you want a Stephanie McMahon relic?
Thinking about it on my phone.
I kind of want that Jason David Frank right there. Want a Han Solo relic? That is sick. I kind of want to start collecting like other types of cards too.
Have it all, brother.
Like I'm talking for like my obscure weird collection, like my Verjals and stuff like that. That's sick. Some reversals. There's your favorite set. Good one.
Right now. So bad. 2 Ant-Mans. If I didn't have 6 of them already.
You know. How's the Mellow 3 times more expensive than Ant-Man?
I don't know.
I mean, I like the Mellow, don't get me wrong. I'm just not sure how that works. What's up, man? How you doing?
Ryan for finding this card in one of the bargain bins and bringing it over. My favorite player, Larry Nance Jr. You know, I must give that up.
2 packs of 2021 Don Russ.
Nice.
Magic. Don't think I'll get any Okoras in 16, 17. Now, what do you think?
No, I doubt it. You may get a Timothy Moskov.
I may. The Georgie Dang.
Nice.
The Kyle Anderson. Davis. Book, yeah?
Is that a second year Booker, right?
Yes. Been a lot cooler if it was first year, but that is what it is. Anthony Barber. See, now I saw the Sixers. I'm just thinking Ben Simmons. That's kind of a letdown.
Yeah, that's
Two buckets. One for you.
Oh, yeah.
Sweet Lou. Bear. Oh, come on. Give me some love on this.
Moskov. I called it.
Moskov, you did. Meeks. Lawson. Baines. Barton. DeRozan. Brooks. Beverly. Oh, come on. Give me something better than that.
There you go.
Thank you.
At least you got A. Simmons. That's pretty
That's an
awesome.
insert Simmons, too. Hold
Nice.
that right there. Brandon Bass. Michelle Bon. Derek Williams. Luol Deng. Seth Curry. And a gray KD. That's not bad.
Nice. You're not too bad.
Next. Wow. There's some big money in this pack.
You got the big money right here. It's Moskov.
Sure, big money Mozgov. Taking a mellow in this pack.
That'd be sick.
Cat. Another cat where he was Sexton.
Oh, yeah.
Josh Richardson. De'Aaron Fox. Ariza. Rubio. Coach Fox. I'm not going to sit here and name all the base because I just don't have that kind of energy right now in my life.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Wait.
That is a lot of base.
Yeah, these cards are,
They basically said it was all about that base.
yes. John Moran franchise features.
Nice.
Sadiq Bey. Oh, ho, ho.
That is sick. It's a nice hit.
Yes.
I probably paid for the back.
Yep. Sadiq Bey.
Nice.
My boy Neese Smith.
Is that a no Coro in the back?
Hopefully. Killian Hayes. Patrick Williams. That's
It's all the
cool
red,
pack.
but yeah, that was a pretty good pack.
That sounds nasty.
You had to get like 20 cards in, but then it got good.
I know, right? All right. Let's see. Some more Magic. Aldridge.
And then Orlando.
Thank goodness there's a Bismack Biondo in that pack. Jared Jackson, Kemba, Culver. I'm not even flipping them.
I mean, if there wasn't a Bismack, you might have gotten partial refund, but that Bismack, you might owe them like an extra $5
Yeah,
on
that
that.
Bismack straight up set it off.
I just like that that's a real name.
Yes. All right, nothing so far. Let's see what we got. Derrick Rose, the Obi Toppin. Actually, neither of those go in a good pile.
Is that Kareem?
Yeah, yeah, it is good. Woodard, Vernon Carey, Azubiki, of the, Collingwood.
Alright guys, so I'm going to show you everything I picked up today from both Kells and Clubhouse. Got a Sadiq Bey rated rookie, Sadiq Bey Great Expectations, Obi Toppin Great Expectations, Denny Avdia Donruss rated rookie, Onyeka Okongwu Donruss rated rookie, Franchise Features second year insert of Ja Morant. Got a rated rookie Patrick Williams, rated rookie Killian Hayes, rated rookie from Donruss of Patrick Williams, another rated rookie Danny Avdia, rated rookie Emmanuel Quickly. Check out this Donruss. You guys already saw this in the vlog, but Larry Nance Jr., one of my favorite players in basketball. And your boy just bought that jersey too for the next game I go to. Got this sweet Isaac Okoro. This is the Groove parallel. Got this awesome yellow Isaac Okoro. This might be an HGA candidate. Got a Emergent Keldon Johnson. Got a Vortex insert of Kawhi. I got a blue Prism Sexton from this year, and this is numbered out of 175, I believe. I got a DeAndre Hunter Luminance. Got a Marvin Bagley III. Got a Darius Garland Threads. I got a Legends of the Game from Hoops, and it is numbered, that'll be $6.99, James Harden. We got a second year Court Kings DeAndre Ayton, that's numbered out of 149. We got a Ty Jerome NBA Hoops Rookie Ink Auto. And last but certainly not least, we got one of these Mystique inserts of Donovan Mitchell. Thanks for watching, guys. Till the next video, may God bless you, and I hope you take it easy.